will be better for us.
Oh, there's still oil in here, I think. Just got down here to Fond du Lac. Lakeside Park is all around me, and I'm just looking at the water right now. It is horrible. I think if I go in here, I'm gonna turn into a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. There's a tire right out there. There's a bobber right there. You can't even see 2 inches in there. It's pretty crazy. I don't think I'll be hopping in there today. In today's video, we have a few special guests from Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. You'll have to just wait to see who they are. What's your name?
Awesome.
You fish down here a lot?
Yeah.
What's the biggest fish you caught out of here?
Catfish.
You think you got a catfish on right now?
Probably not. Probably
Alright.
just sheephead.
All right, we'll see what you get.
Might have got off.
You got a weed fish.
Yeah.
It bit pretty good though.
That's kind.
Look at this guy.
What are you doing?
The man, the myth, the legend.
How we been?
Pretty good, man. You're looking sharp. You got new shirts?
Appreciate it. New shirt. Yes, sir.
Awesome, dude.
What did he catch?
He had something. Did you see that?
Yeah, it was bending.
Yeah, and then holding a weed fish. You gonna come dive with me in here today or what?
I don't know. That's where we need to decide on where to go.
No.
I thought this would be a little bit cleaner here, but
No.
apparently not. I would say the waterway's over there because that's where Merck National is.
Yeah.
It should be deep enough because all the boats go through it.
Sweet, man.
Probably won't be as green.
I would like to see a snapper turtle face to face. 6 inches of his today.
Ashton, are we going to help Ed? We're going to clean up Lakeside Park with Mommy and Ed and Daddy and Ashton.
You're wearing 2 awesome shirts there.
You guys got to check out this guy named Ed the Diver. He comes to your local fisheries and waterways and he cleans up everybody's trash.
I like getting trashy. A wedding over there, huh? Might have to crash and get some free cake.
Only if you knew, Ed, half the videos I really wish we could post.
Pretty neat place around here. That water looks pretty tempting.
He's part of the wedding party.
Nice outfit. You fit right in.
Hey. Hey, we see you at Green Bay at the Fox. Oh yeah? How you doing, man? Yeah, we were talking a couple different times. Jumping in the lagoons, huh?
Yeah, I'm here with Aaron from East Lures.
Yeah. Yeah.
Who's getting married today?
Sean right there, my brother.
Well, congratulations, Sean.
Cool. But yeah, I was gonna jump in here, but you can't see nothing. Aaron just said he'd pay my fine if I jump in here. It's $10 to $200. So
Yeah, this is on Coot's Lures.
they're breaking the law.
Hey, we want you to come see the bridge that I proposed.
And she apparently said yes, because there's
Yep,
a proof right there.
There's a little guy that came from it. So, right, Ashton.
Awesome. I'm sure there's stuff in here too.
Oh my goodness, it's probably loaded.
Just like your bank account, right? You can see 3 inches, maybe 4 inches.
I don't know how deep this is, how mucky this is. Actually, I'll let you.
No, it ain't bad at all. Just some rocks in here. Got it. First piece of trash over here. Got some more trash over here. Fabric sheets. Let's toss the magnet out here, see if we get anything. Hopefully that stays on. What are we gonna find out here? Don't want to get tangled up in this. Don't get stuck in rocks. And nothing. Weeds. Oh, there's a piece of plastic. Got something non-magnetic. Some plastic. I almost threw it at your drone. That would have been bad. Oh man, that was scary, man. Either got a lot of weeds or something on here. Nothing. New spot. Let's see if there's any mysteries down here. There's a balloon. bouncing around. Yeah, she's pretty yucky down there. We don't want that in the water.
Party pooper.
Oh my goodness. That is not good. There's nothing on there, but it's pretty gross. Don't want to get stuck on the bridge, that's for sure.
This is what you're looking for this fall. It's a drone that I lost in Lake Winnebago. So this fall we're gonna find something that looks like this.
It would be nice to find it. You know, a smarter person would have called me right away to go get it and maybe save it.
A stubborn person didn't want to call it the diver. But now that I have a new one, I'm okay with calling it the diver.
All right.
Oh my goodness.
That is more than the first time.
Ed the Weed Man. That's crazy.
I don't think this is a good spot, maybe. You getting this one or what?
That's why I'm recording you and you're recording me.
What is this thing?
Oh, why use your hand? Use your teeth.
What?
What is that?
Merc Cruiser oil filters.
Oh, that's good to get out of the water. Come on, people. Thanks, Ed. There we go.
This is, of course, is not Mercury Marine's fault, but get some brand new oil filters floating in the water. There's 2 of them in the pack.
Oh, that's random.
Get that trash out of here.
Ed, that is 3 Musketeer bar, but Ed wouldn't throw it on the ground. He would
No.
put it in the garbage.
That's right.
It's for you, Ed.
Thank you.
You can't ever say I didn't give you something. Oh, softball. Oh,
That's a nice softball. Wow. Where did that come from? Oh, from over here.
foul ball. Huh. Ashton, are you helping?
What a bobber.
Oh, look at that. I
Sure.
go from finding a musky lure to a kid's bobber.
That's right.
Oh, we got another bobber.
Oh,
Ashton, we're going to be fishing with your bobber soon.
Ritz. Oh, look at this. Is this a chatterbait? No, it's a generic. There we go. Fishing lure. Look at that. Good one.
Come on. People, be better for us.
Oh, there's still oil in here, I think.
Yeah.
Oil or dirty water?
This is the fish was like that. Budweiser.
Ooh. Hey, good job, man. Thanks for helping. There you go.
Got it. Nice. Hey, we got some help over here.
Was it really?
Yeah.
Hopefully it looked like. Oh, there he is.
Oh yeah, it's a little guy.
Get him, Ed. Go get him.
From Kentucky, right? Yeah. You used to noodle all the time?
Yep.
What's the biggest catfish you got noodling?
Biggest I probably caught was about, tore up my arm pretty good. 10 pounds.
Okay. Being a little kid and getting a 10-pounder out of a hole. These balloons seem to be everywhere. That. She's dropping off fast.
Come on, Stretch Armstrong. You can do it. Oh, look at that. Just trash gravitates towards Ed.
Oh, it's just a bad feeling. It's all yucky. Good luck fishing.
Well, thank you very much.
Fishing line here. Wow, that stuff is some thick line. Look at that. Be crazy. Get that out of here. I still kind of maybe want to hop in there, but not really. Oh, someone's sandwich. Get that out.
We're in Lakeside Park. Ooh, nice.
This looks like a nice, useful tool here for your boat.
So you don't scratch it up. That is probably worth something.
Wonder how much those things are worth. So it's 2 for $20, but we don't know the brand on this one here.
Could be more than that.
Who knows?
Got trash and a bobber.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles coming out of this pipe here.
How did I get this responsibility to do? Oh, yeah. I don't even know.
Snappy turtle!
Oh!
Yeah. Trying a big old catfish hide in there.
Let's go noodling.
I think there's a tire right there, actually.
This is a sponsored ad by Coot's Lures new t-shirt. Why do I always find tires for you?
I know.
Oh my goodness.
Really clean off.
Oh, hopefully there's a musky lure on it.
Yeah, no kidding. There's so much junk in your yuck. We gotta clean some of it out.
It's like a shake weight. Whoa! There we go.
Oh, that stinks so bad.
Oh my gosh, that is really bad. Disgusting.
Oh, yeah.
Ew. Push-up time. Get her. Part of my Anytime Fitness push-up video.
One-handed push-up right there off that rock.
We're gonna do 2 for safety purposes. Come on, get out of here.
There's actually a lot of trash over here.
Got my Pepsi. Got it. More trash here. My wife loves. Probably eat forever. We got spiders.
Barking spiders.
It's almost like that snapping turtle. Oh, walking is
Yeah.
best.
Got some stuff here. Probably water, hopefully. Yeah.
Air Home City.
Oh. That was close.
That was kind of scary.
That was scary.
We got some wind. Oh, I got it! Yes, sir! Let's go, baby! Aaron the drone flyer.
Thanks to Aaron for helping me out today. We got a lot of trash here to fill this thing up. Didn't get too much out of the water, but I think about half that was out of the water. I thought we'd get more. A lot of it was in the rocks too, around all the banks. But let's get rid of it so we don't have to haul it home. It smells awesome.
How many bobbers did you find?
I think we found like 5 bobbers. I'll actually keep one for you if you want it. So I got some cleaner here, some oil. There's oil in here.
Well, thank you very much for cleaning up the Fond du Lac Community's Waterway and getting the garbage out of the park. It's a beautiful park that everybody enjoys.
It is very beautiful. I'm glad I drove 2.5 hours to get here today. 2.5 hours back. Let's go.
And this was not planned either, folks.
Nope. Well, that's all the trash. A couple treasure items here, 2 bobbers, and a softball.